telling you, you can experience heaven here on earth now if we understood this. If we just got this. Right? Instead of trying to create all these divisions, now we're the in-group, you're the out-group, blah, blah, blah. And what if we just learn how to just love each other and just learn to agree to disagree? Right? You believe what you believe with a passion, but come on, man, that doesn't mean that you have to treat people bad.